Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a video on introduction of Python programming language. First of all, we have to know what is Python programming language. Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. And it is also an object-oriented programming language. Soon I will make a video on that topic, why Python is an object-oriented programming language. You know who invented Python, when it was first released, and which software company develops it. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in the 20th of February 1991. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world due to its versatility and ease of use. .py, .pyw, .pyz, .pyc, .pyi, .pyd and .python are the file extension of Python programming language. Do you know what are the key features of Python? First of all, it is easy to read and write, as Python's syntax is designed to be easy to read, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced programmers. Secondly, it is a high-level language, as it abstracts away many of the complexities of managing system resources like memory and processor usage. Thirdly, it is an interpreted language, which means you don't need to compile your code before running it. Fourthly, it is a cross-platform, because Python works on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Fifthly, it is dynamically typed, as Python does not require you to declare variable types, like int, float, etc., explicitly. It automatically determines the type of variable based on the value assigned to it. Then it is an extensive standard library, because Python comes with a rich standard library that provides modules and functions for performing a variety of tasks, including file handling, network communication, regular expressions, and more. Last of all, it has large ecosystem and community, as Python has an extensive ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, scientific computing, and more. Now it is time to know that where is Python programming language is used. Python is widely used in web development due to frameworks like Django and Flask. These frameworks simplify building scalable, secure, and maintainable websites. Python has become the go-to language for data science and data analysis because of powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and SciPy. Then comes machine learning and AI. As Python's simplicity and an extensive collection of machine learning libraries and frameworks make it perfect for AI and machine learning. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch libraries are used for this sector. Python is often used to automate repetitive tasks. Its ease of use makes it perfect for writing scripts that handle tasks like renaming files in bulk, sending emails or notifications, and scraping websites for data. Python can be used for game development with libraries such as Pygame. Though Python is not typically used for large, performance-intensive games, it is excellent for creating 2D games, prototypes, or educational tools. Python is also used in the cybersecurity field for developing security tools and scripts for ethical hacking, vulnerability detection, and penetration testing. Python can be used to develop desktop applications with graphical user interfaces, GUIs. Several libraries make it possible to build cross-platform desktop apps. Python is specially used for web scraping, which involves extracting data from websites for analysis, research, or automation purposes. Libraries like Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Selenium make it easy to scrape and interact with web pages. Python is increasingly being used in the IoT field for programming devices like Raspberry Pi and other microcontrollers. Its simplicity and large ecosystem of libraries make it ideal for handling sensor data, communication, and device control. Python is one of the most popular languages for teaching programming due to its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in schools, universities, and online courses for introducing programming concepts. Why should I learn Python? Firstly, it is easy to learn and use, as Python is known for its simple syntax, which is similar to natural language. This makes it one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages. Secondly, it is versatile and multi-purpose. Thirdly, it has a large ecosystem and libraries. Then it is a cross-platform compatibility. After that, it is in-demand skill and career opportunities, and lastly, it is beginners-friendly. So last of all, Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language with a large community and rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python's simplicity and flexibility make it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. So what do you think about the Python programming language? Write in the comments section. If you have any question, you can ask me without any hesitation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You can stay with us for more related videos and recent updates. Bye.